Hey everyone, if you have ever run into the OSNAP error while using Google Chrome, you know how annoying it can be. But don't stress, in this video, I am going to work through a few steps to fix it and get you back up. Part 1. Clear your cache and cookies. First up, let's clear your cache and cookies. Sometimes all files stored in your browser can cache conflict, leading to the OSNAP error. Go to the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Click on Setting and Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookie and other data and cache image and file. Then clear data. Part 2. Disable extensions. Extensions can be super useful, but they can also cause this issue. Disabling them temporarily and can help you identify if one of them is causing the error. Go to the three dot in the top right corner. Click on Extension. Toggle off each extension one by one. Trying reloading the page after each one. If disabling a specific extension solves the problem, you have found your culprit. If no worries, we have more solutions. Part 3. Update or reinstall Chrome. Outdated software can often cause compatibility causes. Ensuring Chrome is up to date can resolve the OSNAP error. Go to the three dot in the top right corner, click on Help and then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for update and install them. If the issue persists, consider reinstall Chrome by uninstalling it from your system and download the latest version of the Google website. Part 4. Check for conflict with your antivirus and firewall. Sometimes your antivirus or firewall might mistakenly block certain websites, causing the OSNAP error. You can check this by temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall to see if the problem goes away. So open your antivirus software, look for an option to disable it temporarily. Try reload the problematic page in Chrome. Remember to turn your antivirus back on after testing. If the error disappears after disabling your antivirus or firewall, you might need to adjust your setting and add your extension for Chrome.